can you tell me your name, please? Your name, please?
Yes, I'm Mieko Takahara.
Okay, good. And where do you live?
I live in Ehime Prefecture.
Okay. When did you come to Tokyo?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. And what do you do?
I'm housewife.
You're a housewife.
Yes.
Very, very good. And can you tell me your hobbies? Yeah.
I'm into watching Korean drama.
Korean TV dramas. Okay.
And I'm traveling with husband.
Husband.
Yes.
Very, very good. What's your favorite Korean TV drama?
Yeah, many.
Many.
Yes. I'm speaking Korean. Yes, I can speak in Korean.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes. Since 7 years ago now.
Okay.
Yes, I know.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. And why do you study English?
My grandchildren, I want to talk to grandchildren.
Grandchildren.
Yes.
Okay, very, very good. Okay.